Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about data type boolean. Data type is started from this tutorial. Okay, boolean. We know that boolean values are it may be true or false. There are two possibilities, the like yes or no, 0 and 1. That's it. The table values of boolean data type may be true or may be false, or if there is no constant not null, the table value can be null. Okay, let's see with the help of example. Let's create a sample table. Suppose create table check boolean check boolean inside. Uh, okay, only check only is available, only take one column is available with data type boolean, and that's it. Create table check boolean is available boolean. Yes, table is created successfully. Select star from check. Okay, let's see the table is yes check boolean. If we write here okay in capital also it works because PostgreSQL is case insensitive. Check boolean, that's it. And if you go here and check the definition of check the data type of this table for okay in column the data type is boolean. Yes, and not that's it. Let's see. Suppose insert some values in it. Insert into check boolean is y is available. Values. If I insert here just t, let's see. Okay, first insert using without single quote and true. Okay, let's see it gonna work or not. Yes, the value is inserted. Select star from check boolean. It contains true value, but we have inserted here true. What if I get a single quote to this two, the value true is inserted. What if I here get oh let's try using insert using false. The false is inserted. What if I get the single quote to this false, the value inserted as a false. What if I just give here capital F, the false is inserted, or small f, the false is inserted. If I give here t, the true is inserted. If I give here capital T, the true is inserted. If I give here 1 in quote, the true is inserted. If I give here 1 without quote, the value will not be inserted because only 1 is an integer value. We need to insert here 0. Let's try using 0. 0 false is inserted. If I only takes 0, it will give us an error. If I insert here using yes, if I insert here value using yes, let's see 11th value is true, so that we can insert true value using yes, and no, the false value will be inserted using no. What if I give here no as a capital in capital letter and yes in capital letter, yes, false value is inserted. Suppose what if I give here only capital N or small n, it will also insert a false value. So this 5 value can be inserted. Okay, let's see why. For true, okay, okay, I'm mentioning here t true true is y and 1. These all are true values, and replace t with a all or false value. That's it. Suppose insert um, suppose we have inserted all boolean values in table. Let's fetch the value using where clause. Select all values from check boolean where is available equal to 0. That's it. It not gonna work because it treats 0 as an integer value. If I give here 0, all false value are written. If I give here no, all false values they are given to me. No false values. That's it. It works similar for all. Where and what if I not give this equal sign and value? It if I only give where is available, means it treated as a true, and if I use here not keyword before this, then what is the output? False. It is available with negation not, then it treat as a false value. That's it. Suppose okay, suppose what if someone is not enter value, and we set this value to set some default value to column. Let's alter table check boolean alter column is boolean is available is available set default to false, says set default to false. That is it. If I run this query, the default value for the column will be okay. If I go in properties and column, the default value is not available here. Okay, okay. Let's see it using inserting a value into table. Let's insert into check boolean is available values. Suppose I have not inserted here any value for this is available, and let's run the query. Just run this query only. in syntax here near. Okay, we need to insert something. Okay, if there is id, if there is id column but here is not id column is exist, then it will insert a value for default. It will insert value by default false if you didn't provide is available values here. Insert into is available values. That is it. Thank you. In previous tutorial we are going to discuss about character type. That's it. Thank you.